Hello students, welcome to this video. In the last video, we had discussed about conversion of decimal into fraction and fraction into decimal. Today, in this video, we will talk about the decimal places, like decimal, unlike decimal, also addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Decimal places. The number of figures or digits that follow the decimal point is called the number of decimal places. For example, suppose 2.043. See, after this decimal point, there are 3 digits 0, 4 and 3. So therefore, it is 3 decimal places. So let's go for like decimal. Decimals having same number of decimal places are called like decimals. For example, 9.23, 2.02, 5.95, they all have 2 decimal places and they are all like decimals. Similarly, the next one 0.125, 5.231, 33.005, they all have 3 decimal places and they are like decimals. Unlike decimal. Decimals having unequal number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. For example, 9.23 has 2 decimal places and 0.125 has 3 decimal places. So clearly they are unlike decimals. So next we will learn how to convert unlike decimal into like decimal. Here 3 numbers are given, all are decimal numbers. Now we have to see the decimal places. So here it is 2 decimal places, it is 3 decimal places, it is 4 decimal places. Now notice one thing, that you cannot reduce the decimal places but you can increase the decimal places. So you have to notice what is the highest decimal place over here, that is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So by keeping this decimal place unchanged, we have just increased here 2 decimal places, that is we have added 2 more zeros at the right of this point, and here we have added 1 more 0 at the right of this point. So it has become 4 decimal places, it has also become 4 decimal places, and it was already 4 decimal places. Now they all are like decimal places. Let's go for addition of decimal. So here we have to add 2.52, 9.002 and 13.4031. So what you have to do, you have to write the numbers in a column in such a way that the points should be aligned, and here these places are vacant. So for these places you can put zeros and to make them like decimal. After that you will add it in a normal method. So here is the result. This point has been carried to the result, so you don't worry about the point, just ignore it, just do the addition as you normally do. Let's go for subtraction of decimal. Subtract 0.554 from 2.13. Obviously, we have to write this 0.554 just down this 2.13, and see this place is vacant. So we have to convert this 2.13 as like decimal of 0.554, and for that we have to place 1 0 over here. So here is the result. I have just subtracted it normally, and this point has been carried to the result as it was done in addition method. And you keep it in mind that you must convert these decimals into like decimals. After that you go for subtraction. So today in this video we had discussed about decimal places, like decimal, unlike decimal, also addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. I hope you have understood. So thank you for watching this video.